Sa inyong lahat, we stand here today not just as workers, but as one family, fighting for what is right. Representing the voice of the labor force, we are the Union for Equitable Labor and Sustenance, or UELS. We are the organization dedicated to upholding fair labor standards, putting an end to contractualization, and fighting for a wage that is truly enough to sustain life above the minimum. Dito sa UELS, ipinaglalaban namin ang trabahong marangal, sweldong sapat at kinabukasang matatag para sa bawat mamamayang Pilipino. First, equitable labor, fair treatment, safe working conditions, and respect for rights. Second, end contractualization, fight for regular employment and job security. Third, living wage. Ensure pay is above minimum wage enough to sustain a decent life.
A nation where every worker enjoys dignified labor, secure employment, and a living wage sufficient to sustain a prosperous life. Our mission, to unite workers in the pursuit of equitable rights and contractualization and ensure compensation that truly meets the needs of every family.
A collective bargaining agreement is a formal contract negotiated between employers and employee representatives that defines the terms and conditions of employment.
The purpose of collective bargaining includes of balancing between workers and employers, setting clear terms of wages, are benefit and safety, promoting stability in workplace relation, protecting worker rights while clarifying employer responsibility.
Collective bargaining presents several advantages for employees. It enhances bargaining power, ensures equal treatment, and provides job security. For employers, it leads to stable labor relations, clear expectation, improved long-term planning. And for society, it promotes decent work in line with global goals while reducing inequality among workers. Methods and process. First, preparation. Both sides research issues, collect data, and define their demands and priorities.
Second, negotiation. Representatives meet to discuss proposals, make compromises, and reach tentative agreement.
Third, ratification. The draft agreement is presented to union members for approval and signed by both parties.
And fourth, implementation. The terms are put into practice with both sides monitoring compliance and addressing any issue that arise.
And last, renewal. When the agreement expires, the process repeats to negotiate a new contract.
Ang logong nakikita nyo ay ang sigasig ng ating pagkakaisa. Ang timbangan, simbolo ng katarungan at pantay na trato sa sahod at karapatan. Kalasag o shield, simbolo ng proteksyon ng union para sa mga manggagawa laban sa pang-aabuso. Graph na may arrow, simbolo ng pag-unlad ng kabuhayan at maayos na kinabukasan. Kulay, ginto at asul, nagpapakita ng dangal, tiwala at tagumpay ng ating samahan. Sa madaling salita, ang logo na ito ay nangangako ng proteksyon at katarungan para sa mas masagana at siguradong kinabukasan ng bawat manggagawa.
Maraming salamat sa inyong pakikinig at suporta. Tandaan natin, ang lakas ay nasa pagkakaisa. Sa ilalim ng Union for Equitable Labor and Sustenance, hindi tayo titigil hanggat hindi nakakamit ang tunay na katarungan at seguridad sa trabaho. Justice in work, security in life, enough for all.
Dahil dito sa UELS, ipinaglalaban namin ang trabahong marangal, sweldong sapat, at kinabukasang matatag para sa bawat manggagawang Pilipino.
Ako si Rizal Hiron, ang tumatayong Pangulo ng Food Crew Union.
I'm Irish B. Santos, President of F2 Logistic Union.
At ako naman si Arnold Adigeresa, ang Pangulo ng Pass Cargo Employee Advocacy Union.
At ako naman si Neil Villaspin, ang kinatawan ng Union Peak.
Ako nga pala si Joseph Andre C. Poblete, ang presidente ng Solidarity of Fishermen Federation Union.
And I am Apple Iliot, the president of UELS.